Okay.
So we're here at the Mobile World Congress here at Fairchild. So Fairchild it's kind of like historical brand company.
Right, we're the oldest semiconductor company, about 55 years old, the father of Silicon Valley, if you will. But now we've focused the last 5 years in mobile phones and making all kinds of analog and power management ICs for the mobile phone. For example, we make a buck converter that steps down the voltage from the battery and helps power the Qualcomm processor chip inside smartphones today. So when they run it in full video mode, there's a Fairchild chip supplying the current to that part. We make all kinds of analog and power management ICs that go around the processors and all smartphones today.
Which part is yours?
Our video today. So what we have here is the chip that's on the other side of the USB port on your phone.
So there's a USB here?
Yes, there's a USB plug that'll come in here.
Which part of this is yours?
Our part covers all these functions that detect, that control the I2C, that switch the signal to the various places, including the power to the battery. And you can see protection as well for ESD components.
Protection. So are you in how many percent of all electronics?
We're in basically 100% of all the top-end smartphones
100%.
in the world. Yes, Fairchild supplies to all the major manufacturers. All the major chipset guys have us on their reference designs, and we have at least 20 different components that will go into these smartphones.
20 different components, so it's small stuff.
Yes, there's the smaller chips around the apps processor, and if you look at our demo phone that we made here, you can see all the red and blue chips are those chips that are around the apps processor and represent all the different kind of functions that Fairchild supplies to the mobile phone market. We shipped over 1 billion ICs last year into the mobile phone market in support of the business, so a very strong and growing business.
All right, so basically that's what you're talking about here?
That's what we're talking about at Mobile World Congress, you bet.
And are you announcing something new, or are you planning something new?
Only primarily to raise awareness that Fairchild is supporting all these functions in the mobile phones, and we're a strong and growing company and glad to support all the major phone manufacturers and chip